Hi my dear students, today we are going to make a revision or final revision for the first term exam. Let's see, we know that the question will be the choose only. Let's see. Okay, number 1, choose 9 and 3 over 25 approximately to nearest tenth. It will be 9.1 because it will be 9.12 and after approximation it will be 9.1. Letter B, 4.6798 approximately to nearest thousand. We know that the thousand digits is 9, so we will increase 9 by 1. It will be 10, 0 and carry up 1, 1 plus 7, 8 and so on, so it will be 4.680. 312 divided 10, it will be 31.2. 3.36 kilometer equal how many meter? Yes, by 1000. To convert from kilometer to meter, it will be by 1000, it will be 3360. 2.4 decimeter equal how many centimeters? So we are going to multiply it by 10, it will be 24. 55.241 by 100 and 552.41 by 10. Yes, it will be equal. G, 0.312 by 100 and 312 divided 10, it will be equal. Letter H, 10 by 4.72 and 100 by 0.472, it will be equal. Letter I, 3978 divided what equals 3.978. We will find that the point after 3 digits, so it will be divided 1000. 4 and 1 over 8 by 2 and 2 over 3, it will be 11. You have to solve as first. 5 over 6 divided 1 and 1 over 6, it will be 5 over 7. 2 over 3 by which number equal 1? We know that we have to multiply it by reciprocal. It will be 3 over 2. 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. We know that if we have equal numerator, so the denominator, which is the smallest, represented as the greatest fraction. So half is greater than third. 1 over 2 is decimal form equal 0.5. 19,708 divided 379. You must solve it as first. It will be 52. 0.0874 divided 0.46. Solve it as first. You will find it 0.19. Any chord passing through the center is called diameter. We know that the diameter is the greatest chord or the longest chord only. The longest chord in the circle is diameter. The diameter equal twice radius. The radius equal half the diameter. Any triangle has 3 altitudes. The altitudes of acute angle triangle intersect at point inside the triangle. The altitudes of obtuse angle triangle intersect at point outside the triangle. The altitudes of the right angle triangle intersect at point on the right angle triangle, or the right angle, sorry. If set of 7 and 10, subset of set of 10 and x plus 4. So it means we have 10 here and 10 here, so x plus 4 equal 7. It will be, so which number plus 4 equal 7? It will be 3. This shaded part represent, yes, union, A union B. This shaded part means intersecting, A intersect B. this shading part means A minus B, yes. If A subset of B, then A intersect B, we know that subset. It means in the A inside B, and A is the smallest set and B is the greatest set. So the intersection gave me the smallest and the union gave me the greatest. So A intersect B will be A. If A subset of B, then A union B gave me B. Set of 52 and set of 5 and 2, do we have the same? No, it's not the same, so it will be not subset. Y equal 2 and 4 and 6 and intersect 1 and 2 and 3, so the intersection is 2. Then 6 is in Y? No, it's not belong to Y. Phi and set of 1 and 2, we know that phi is subset of any set. If 3 and 3 belong to x and 5, then x equal, yes, 3. The probability of impossible event. Impossible means never happen. So it will be 0. The probability of sure or certain event is 1. The probability of getting ahead when rolling a coin once. Yes, we know that how many faces in the coin? We have 2 faces. If I want to get head, it will be the probability will be 1 over 2. The probability of tail also 1 over 2. The probability of getting an odd number when rolling dice once, if you are rolling a dice once, we know that we will have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So we have 6 as total. Then the odd numbers are 1 and 3 and 5. So we have 3 numbers as odd, so 3 over 6. The simplest form will be 1 over 2. The probability of getting even number when rolling a dice once, we know that the even number 2, 4, 6, so also 3 numbers, 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. The probability of getting a prime number, we know that the prime number 2, 3, 5, so also 3 numbers, so it will be 3 over 6, it will be 1 over 2. If A belong to X, then A belong or not belong to X complement? No, not belong to X complement. Thank you.